Welcome, Transformers fans, to Transformers Tuesday. We're counting down the days to Transformers Rise of the Beasts. And today we have Optimus Primal and Stripe, part of the Beast Alliance subline. These are weaponizers? No, these are Battle Masters. They're Target Masters. There's I can come up with a dozen different names for these. Nothing is there we go. Beast Weaponizer 2-pack. It's a Beast Weaponizer 2-pack. So we have Optimus Primal and Stripe, which is a weird name. Stripe. CGI renders, product shot, logo, legal. The background of this is interesting. We could discuss that for a second here. I'm gonna need to turn off my front light here just so we can see a little better. We have some hieroglyphics here. Let's look at the back first. Then we have product shots in the back and legal. All right, anyway, we have a Maximal logo right here. We have a Scorpion here, Scorpionaut. We have a T-Rex here, which would be like Beast Wars Megatron. Clearly a spider of the Black Widow sort, like Black Arachnia. And we have a Predacon symbol here. So I don't know if these are spoilers for the movie or if they're just little Easter eggs in the hieroglyphics that are going to be in the movie. So let's get to the figures themselves. Let's crack them open, see what it is. I'm really only getting these for the weaponizers. I'm not a truck knock monkey person. Okay, let's have a look at the rest of these. But I'm not a big fan of the all black Optimus Prime. We'll discuss it. So then here we have a Decepticon symbol, an Autobot symbol, a raptor, a bird of some form. Looks like the same T-Rex just repeating down here, and a rhino. So I don't know if we're gonna see all these in here, or none of these at all in the movie. Oh, and here's a gorilla. I missed the gorilla. All right, let's crack open the box, see what else is in here. We have the instructions, and we have this. So we'll dispose of this box here. And we'll have a look at the figures. First up, we'll have a look at the weaponizer. These are usually very simple transformations. And this one, lo and behold, I believe turns into some form of crossbow. So these are on a hinge here, so he has to split in half. Like, oh, that is slightly frightening. Then I guess since these are on ball joints, it's going to spin up. And then we'll straighten that out. Put that back. Oh, it's from this side, okay. And then the legs. Just pretend there's a string there, a rope, and then there's a crossbow. This is my least favorite one so far. we'll see if the things actually do that. This is 2022 trademark in here. So once more. By the way, since the writer strike is going on, I have no idea if this movie will be delayed. It'll be coming out on June 9th. So hit that like button, throw that confetti up, and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any future box videos, and hit that bell so we can keep tabs on our countdown to Rise of the Beast, which is, once more, June 9th is the planned release date. I don't know if the writer's strike is going to affect that or not, but stay tuned. So now we have Primal here, Optimus Primal. So, I can't see this guy being very complicated to transform. Hit that all, he transforms. Just gonna flip there. Rotate. Oh look, now he's a monkey. And then rotate, and then he has monkey feet. And that is the transformation sequence to Optimus Primal in this size. Yeah, honestly, it's not an awful figure. Albeit simple. But from what I've seen, this is all I need for the Optimus Primal in the movie. All right, there we go. I'm gonna turn it back to a robot. But let's see if I can do it. Oh, that was the hardest transformation ever. Let's turn this guy back into a tiger. Surprised they didn't go with all the other ones have traditional Beast Wars names. I'm surprised that they went with something weird. Arrow Stripe, okay? So there is whatever they're calling it, Target Master, Battle Master, Arrow Stripe, and Optimus Primal. And that's what's in today's box. Please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.